second quarterly. Then we are going to start our new chapter, and the name of chapter is My Five Senses. Okay, now what you have to do, level 1, on a new blank page in your English language exercise book, write today's date, that is 21/21. Okay, and after writing the date, you have to make a title page of the chapter My Five Senses. As we already know the senses in our science book, we already read it. Now we are going to read this topic in our English language. So first of all, make a title page of the chapter in your English language exercise book like this. Okay, level 1. If you want to make a title page like this, you may. If you want to make a different title page, you may draw it. Okay, level 1. But the title page, you have to draw it along with the name of the chapter, My Five Senses. Okay, level 1. Okay, level 1. Now take out your English language learner's book, this one. Take it out. And open page number 80. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is My Five Senses. 80, page number 80. Okay, level 1. Today we are going to start our chapter. First activity is read and listen. Point to your eyes, ears, nose and mouth as you say the words. What you have to do, there is an activity level 1 that when we read this poem, you have to point out your eyes, ears, nose and mouth. The name of the poem is Two Little Eyes. Now, two little eyes to see all around, two little ears to hear each sound, one little nose to smell what's sweet, one little mouth that likes to eat. Now what they are saying we use two little eyes to see all around. What is our to see our surrounding? Two little ears to hear each sound. We use one little nose to smell what's sweet, and one little mouth that likes to eat. Okay, these are our five senses. Now, on the next page, page number 81, there is an activity for us. Listen, point and say. There are five pictures of senses: see, hear, smell, taste, touch. These are the functions of senses. Okay. Listen to the sentences, say the missing word, then look at the poem again. Which of the five senses is not in it? Now, level 1, we have five senses, and the functions of those senses are: see, from eyes we can see, from ear we can hear, from nose we can smell, from tongue we can taste, from hand we can feel the touch. Okay. Now they are saying which of the five senses is not in the poem. Level 1, in the poem they are talking about two little eyes. They are talking about the function of see. Okay. This is in the poem. Two little ears to hear each sound. They are talking about the ears. One little nose to smell what's sweet. They are talking about our third sense, that is nose. From the nose we can smell. One little mouth that likes to eat. Okay, they are talking about our tongue. From tongue we can taste, we can eat anything from our mouth. Now, which sense they are not discussing in the poem? That is the sense of touch. Okay, level 1. This is the activity for you. Okay, now level 1, there is an activity for you, that is in the park. Listen and point to the things in the picture. Level 1, there is a picture for you. There is the picture of park. What you have to do, listen and point to the things in the picture. You have to mention those pictures and point out to those pictures. You can listen. Is there anything in the park that you can listen? If you are in the park and those things are in the park, those instruments are in the park, then you can hear them. So if those things are there, you can point it out. You can write the name in your English language exercise book and draw the picture as well that you can hear. Okay? The question is same, listen and point to the things in the picture. You don't have to draw the whole picture, just you have to mention the names that you can hear in this picture and draw the things that you can hear in this picture. If in this picture there are something that you can hear if you are in the park. Okay, level 1, this is the activity for you. You can do it in your English language exercise book after making the title page of this chapter. Thank you for watching my video.